Did you know that even with secure passwords, a broken access control vulnerability can let attackers wreak havoc? In this video, we'll dive into broken access control. As defined by owasp, explore real attack examples and discuss how to prevent it. First, we'll define what access control is and why it matters. Broken access control happens when checks are missing or insufficient, allowing users to act beyond their privileges. According to owasp, about 94% of applications are tested for broken access control, with an average incidence rate of 3.81%. Next, let's look at common attack vectors that exploit these vulnerabilities. For instance, parameter tampering allows attackers to change URL parameters to access unauthorized data. Then there's force browsing, where users access hidden URLs without proper checks. Privilege escalation is another risk, where a normal user can manipulate tokens to gain admin access. APIs can also be vulnerable if methods like post or delete aren't properly secured. Core's misconfiguration can allow unauthorized origins to call APIs, bypassing restrictions. These issues often stem from violating the principles of least privilege and deny by default. Now, let's walk through a real-world example from owasp. Imagine an application using unverified data in SQL to fetch account info, allowing attackers to access others' accounts. Or consider force browsing to admin pages by unauthenticated users. The impact of these vulnerabilities can be severe, leading to unauthorized data access or even full system takeover. This can result in loss of trust, legal issues, and reputational damage. So, how can we prevent these risks? owasp suggests denying access by default. Block everything unless explicitly allowed. Centralized access control logic is key. Don't sprinkle checks everywhere. Use a consistent module. Always enforce ownership checks to verify that users are authorized for a resource. Disabling server directory listing can prevent access to sensitive files. Logging and alerting on access control failures is crucial for spotting suspicious activity. Invalidate sessions and use short-lived tokens to enhance security. Testing and automation should include thorough authorization testing to catch vulnerabilities early. Remember, access control must be enforced server-side. Never trust client-side controls. In summary, broken access control is a major risk, often bypassed through simple manipulations. But prevention is possible by following best practices like deny by default and robust testing. I encourage developers and security engineers to pay close attention to this area. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content. Have you faced access control bugs? Share your experiences in the comments below. And stay tuned for our next video on owasp AO2 cryptographic failures.